Look what I got. Was that AJ's today? I'm gonna open it. First time, you're gonna see it when I see it. It's windy, so we'll be at the field doing this. That's pretty cool. Alright, there's the tape. Masking tape, throw it in the back of the truck. Masking tape. Big hands, small spaces. Throw it in the back of the truck. Oh, look at that. Ooh. Back of the truck. Back of the truck. Back of the truck. We'll pick her up. Yeah, here the wind's just whipping. So no flying today. Which is a bummer because I wanted to bring this up right away. One hand sucks. Flip it over, take a look at the bottom. Yeah, it's identical to the Voodoo. Everything looks the same. Oh, plastic. More plastic on this to protect it than the Voodoo had. A lot more plastic. Oh, there's the battery hatch. Pop that open. Same as the Voodoo. Landing gear is the same. Actually, I think this is shorter. I think on the Voodoo that's longer. But same snap-in style. Looks pretty cool. But oh, you can see the tree just whipping around up there. It's like 60-kilometer-an-hour gusts today, so won't be flying it. That's it. That's pretty cool. Wow, that wind's strong. I'm gonna put this back in the box before it blows away. Close her up. Awesome. Oh, manuals underneath all this. Velcro. And there we go. That's the unboxing. Spin it around, get some of this stuff. Pause it on that. Read what you need. You can just pause it on any of this and you can get all the good stuff. Stand it up on its end. Get a picture of the back. Sorry, I'm doing this one-handed. Awesome. Hopefully I'll fly it tomorrow for its maiden. Alright, thanks for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, and all that good stuff. Ciao for now.